I never try for this icon. I never know Gilbert, I know Ivan, but I no comparison them shut up.
I never know Gilbert, I never Ivan. I don't know Storm. I don't know them Storm. Boom, 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 boom! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. So we're back in with another reaction for you guys. So right now, people, we have Alkaline, Total, MURDA. You see me, I say, no longer Alkaline put a song if we do a bad reaction when you drop it. You see me, so I go on for the song, people. Cheer up the like button, subscribe to the channel for the new. You see me, I say, every time I start a reaction in the dark, I have to point out to one and I say, yo, Reaction Boss is here. You understand me? And I trouble when we reach, you see me, I say, look into my eyes. Yo, you know what? Let's try things. Like up the video, subscribe to the channel. We're to 50k subscribers right now. I want to say thank you guys for 30,000 subscribers. You see me, I say I'm the most lit channel in the entire Caribbean. You see me, I say I'm the only person who do it that way. Yeah, so you do me. Any other person do it? I'm fraud. I don't know. Big up everybody else out there. I have a few of them more big up, you know. Big up the Prodigy. You see me, I say big up Joey Dan Reacts. Big up yourself. You see me, I say, and who else out there? Zeke D from Guyana. Big up yourself, you know, brother. Big up yourself, you know. Who else there? Who is there? Enough of them I see in a dog. Enough of them I see, I don't really know them, but a couple of them I talk. When I talk to them, three of them I talk to them, so I check them out. Man, them lit. Reaction Boss. You know what I say? Anyways, Red June, Total MURDA, Alkaline, go see what go on. Go see what go on.
Autobahn.
Them no good for them go on them bed.
Yeah?
Walk over the shit up on the man.
Alkaline this? No, Alkaline voice this? Alkaline voice that? If a Alkaline that that's song different already, you know, people. The past boss is in full effect, you know, people. But if a Alkaline this in the dark, that song you bad already, you know. Go.
One line.
Alright then. People dead. No, people dead. That's all me have to tell you, people dead. No, I make sure someone see that video. That's why the past boss is in full effect, you know. Just like I'm earlier this morning too, you know. But you know what, people dead. People, no, I like you video already. Drop your fire emoji already. Because when you see something already, so drop your fire emoji for song bad. Go on.
Must see how we around, can we never take that. Running night.
I need some water in my car for cooling already, you know, because I know me. Alright, we have water now. We're ready for the heat. Release the heat now.
I don't go bust head fast. Total MURDA, push it down further. Yeah, we love killing and we love the extra.
We love killing and we love the extra. No, Total MURDA. Whatever further. Now, more now with my this already and the song just start. Tell me. Let me know down below in the comment section. Because also when Alkaline this man, you know, enjoy the lyrics in a way where you have to think about it and say, John, what's that? I really don't want to hear that one day attack. I really don't want. We don't know. Me don't know. So, I want to tell me, you know, because I always do it, you know, me always get it wrong for some reason. Like, anytime I say Alkaline music, I video them when I say, you don't understand this, you know. I'm a reaction boss. When I review, I'm not a review, react, go and do.
Sweat straight from yard. MURDA your blood clot.
Hold on there. You them going to boss. All lives of them going in the real shot. Hold on. Listen some more.
Push it down further. Dogs do the killing, now we do the extra.
Same dogs and I'm going to kill him, you know, and then I'm going to do the extra. You see, I go? Yes, I hope I never do this in a real life and put in a song in a car so them catch up on people, you know. You did me, I say. I saw the system catch up on you on the dog. You know what we are talking about already, you know, dog. You did me, I say. I saw the system try use them brain on people and go and catch people. And I hope I never do it in a real life, you know. Alright. In a real life. Right tune.
Skin me a go bun. See a big pussy and she having up in my gun. Them shut up on you like a strainer when me empty out the drum.
Them shut up boy like a strainer when me empty out the drum. You big pum girl run up. What you do with the man them suffer Alkaline? What you do with the man them suffer? What the man them do to your dog? You go to brawling now, brother. You feel rest of them yo. The man them really dep on your level, you see me I say? A new level, dog. Yo, go on.
Tell Kingdom come and wait and now me and a chat set up and see
Kingdom come Alright, now me listen what you say now, because I never hear you while like a month. Tell them about the AC and my heart, you're full. Woo! Go on.
Kingdom come and wait, then now me and a chat set up and sit there. Flat on your face, so you drop it.
Hold on. You know, I'm not go back in it, you know. I'm not go back in it, because I know I'm not going to hear it. This happened to me when I still start the reaction. Every time I hear a line or something, I'm going to go back, I'm not going to hear it again. Alright, ready? Run tune.
Back bus leak wet. Take hype dream, got a thing, the K make you no got a chin. Swim up like sound, pan a bed of sleep wet. Pussy no way.
Me nah lie, no. Who Alkaline attack people? Please, I know I'm going to check the comment section after I'm done with the reaction. Because you know I'm going to check the comment section right now, no forward. Go in the comment section and see what I go in the comment section. Load no man, bomb buckle it nah go load. It nah load. Them no want me see, them no want, I search it. Me can see CMR comment right there, so. It nah load. It nah load. Say no what? Next time. Run tune.
I used to come, never take that. Running a yard and go bust a head fast. Hold
on there. In a yard and go bust it. The man here. Hold on. What? You know people intimation time here, man. Like the video, like the video. Did me I say? If you sang you go and bar, drop some fire emoji. If you sang now go and bar, drop some thumbs down. Straight up forward. I saw it over here. So we no pick side over here, so none of that. You see me I say we there for entertain the people, you know. So if you sang you go and bar, fire emoji. If you sang now go and bar, thumbs down. Let me see one thing. Let me know spot on the head there. Get me I say? My head up on my neck, you know. Run tune.
Going further, yeah, we love killing, I will love you extras. I will do the badness, sweat straight from we yard.
We do the badness. What? What a lyric video now? Hold on.
I will love killing, I will love you extras. I will do the badness, sweat straight from we yard.
What do you mean? Make them know. Oh no! Oh, me have one buckler person for big up. One buckler, Chung lad from Jamaica. One buckler, I go high school with them man, your dog. Oh, me go high school with them, my bro got so. Chung lad, check him out. Be Alkaline music reactor still. And them man they say MVP. Yo, run tune.
Murder your blood clot. You tell murder, push it can't further. Can't chop it up and burn the body or the scent, my ghost can't stop.
Me think I made that skip the chorus alone, but me skip out the whole of the blood clot verse a while ago.
Can't tell them how the kid how we do the extra. Soul one, put the pussy clot, get up and gone. Point a rifle over there, every man I get canned.
Man point a rifle over there, so and the whole of them man they get can. Them not get no can bread. You see me I say? Them not get no roast can. Them not get no can too. Them not get can. Oh, clot, copper and lead.
Tell them how the killer them whenever they can. Chop it up and burn the body or the scent, my ghost can't start piss up himself for the Ross boy can't.
Right, to all Alkaline, no, make you remember, I'm going to say Alkaline voice changer or something, but to all them when you Alkaline, so man just release them there, you make wait a month or more for that. I say, when this song just started, I to the voice in the dog, I say, Alkaline, maybe I'm somebody else, so I fish it up on the song. But listen to the flow when I put out tune. That's why I can always, my first one is Alkaline song after I listen to that song for real. To make sure say Alkaline just sing that song a while ago.
I learned to this, I never try for this, I can't. I never know Gilbert, I know Ivan, but I know comparison, them shut up.
I never know Gilbert, I never Ivan, I don't know Storm. I don't know them Storm, the youth. A different kind of Storm. Yo! Now you Alkaline say to the right now. Go on. I forgot to say that song again.
I stamp, no I do to call never take that. Running a yard and go killer than that. Pull up on some bad boy, jump out on his stream. If him not run everything, then me no know. Sorry for him.
Rascal. Pull up on some bad boy, jump out on his stream. A 3 verse that then another gonna 2 again now. Hold on there, so what on there? This is some more. Go on.
Them for early, I let it for me a game. That you particular, I know them can't touch the steam. Don't want to be a coward, them that's a dream.
Boy, Alkaline boy on a different level still there. I don't know. I forgot taking some of them review here later because them man is a review now that them come tell you who ma this, who get this and who not get this. So when you can look out for the review there, as you can see, me tell you no much time. You know the reviews, I react to things and I know people like it. But what's the rest of the song?
Them want doing something they don't care what you mean. Pussy no yeah, the cow never take that.
Alright, I hate that. You know what? The boy, the kid, I said thanks for checking out the video. The kid, I said big up on yourself. You did me, I said every day when you're there and you come watch a reaction boss video. I'm really appreciate it. So just go and subscribe to the channel, go and stay tuned for some more. Cause whole heap of lit content forward people. I say whole heap, I mean enough. You did me? Road to 50k is real. And oh lord. So I posted a Aishana Ecorez video 3 years ago, and that shit is going viral right now. It's currently at 200,000 views at the time of this recording on my other channel called Tyrekevlogs. Go and subscribe to that channel. I'm gonna do a public interview because of that video going viral over the past few days. So I'm gonna do a public interview asking females if they would talk to a guy who doesn't eat the coochie. You understand me? So no I see that down. So I'm just gonna subscribe to the channel there. See me say called Tyrekevlogs. You did me I say? Yeah, and subscribe to my other channel, just Tyrik. I have 3 channels now, dog, all over 1,000 subscribers. Clap it up. I'm out.